Hello, I'm Jamie Kim, and together with Professor Sujin Nam, we are very pleased to publish our paper in the Journal of East Asia and International Law. Our paper is titled National Courts as Enforcers of International Treaties, an analysis of the homeward trend in Korea's CISG adjudication. The CISG, the United Nations Convention on Contracts for the International Sale of Goods. It's one of the most successful commercial law treaties. It's aiming to create uniform rules for international sales contracts applied consistently across different jurisdictions. But this goal, it depends on courts applying the CISG through its own legal framework rather than courts defaulting to familiar domestic law. And earlier Korean cases, they often showed this homeward trend, especially when resolving gaps not expressly settled by the convention. But now, there's been an important turning point. Specifically, our paper examines a recent trilogy of Korean Supreme Court decisions between 2023 and 2025, in which the Supreme Court began to course correct this homeward trend. The court largely sustained lower court outcomes, but replaced the domestic law reasoning with analysis grounded in the convention itself. The decisions formally establish a two-step gap-filling framework. Courts must first classify the gap, and if internal, resolve it through CISG's own general principles before turning to domestic law. Now, these decisions, it shows Korea's growing commitment to the CISG's autonomous nature, and we get to see how a domestic court can evolve into a more faithful enforcer of an international treaty. You can see more of our analysis in our paper.